What is it, Bob?
This.
It's kind of a this? What is it?
It's a new cardigan.
You want to open it up?
Yeah. Open it up and I'll open this one.
Okay.
Wow!
That's insane.
You got two of those. What are they?
They're just match.
They match. Okay, we'll wait till Daddy gets it set up and then we'll come and see again.